Good afternoon. I'm Ryan, and this is Indiana Weather Online. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be an update on today's forecast, tomorrow's forecast, as well as taking a sneak peek into the Monday, Tuesday severe weather concern. Let's go ahead and start today with our temperatures. It's already 12 o'clock Eastern time here as I'm making this video, but we'll go ahead and go over the forecast here today in hopes you guys see it early on in the afternoon here when I post this. So going into the afternoon, looking at high temperatures, low to mid 80s across much of Indiana, as well as Ohio, Illinois, and parts of southern Michigan as well. A nice, I guess we'll call it heat wave here. It's not a heat wave, obviously, but this is the warmest temperatures of probably the year for the widespread Great Lakes region here. So we could see a couple 85, perhaps 86 degree marks out there if we're lucky. But overall, with the heat comes potential for a couple pop-up thunderstorms throughout the day. Going over here to the future forecast model here, we're going to notice a couple pop-up popcorn type showers try to get going here, especially across central and southern Indiana, closer to that dinner time frame here at 6 o'clock. Moving into the evening hours, it's just going to continue to kind of pop up, shower or perhaps a storm there. None of these are expected to be severe, but with the heat of the day here, with a little moisture, we could have some downburst type of winds. So do expect there to be a potential, at least, for some pea-sized hail, maybe some gusty non-severe winds with these storms. Overall, it's not going to be a huge concern, but if it does impact you, it'll rain pretty hard for probably 20 minutes or so, if that, and then the sun will be back out pretty quickly. So it's not going to be a huge disruptor to your day. So get out there, enjoy it, but do keep in mind, especially across central and southern Indiana, a couple pop-up type storms are possible today. That is well aligned with the SPC forecast today. Anywhere in light green color has potential for a pop-up storm or two, but also potential for the entire state tomorrow as well. Here's Friday's outlook. Again, notice the entire state of Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and pretty much all of Michigan, Kentucky, all within a general thunderstorm risk here. And going back to the model here, going into the future, we still see that potential, especially increasing tomorrow. Here is tomorrow's forecast here. Again, temperatures right around 70 to 75 degrees statewide. Pretty much a very pleasant day on tap for tomorrow, Friday as well. But notice the coverage of these popcorn type of cells is more widespread or scattered in nature here as we move into Friday. This is actually Friday morning around 9 a.m. Eastern time. We're already seeing showers and storms ongoing across the state. Those will continue into the afternoon hours. Here's noon, here's 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional cells start popping up. So do expect there to be off and on, if not most of the day, rainy conditions tomorrow for the state of Indiana. Tomorrow, I would not be shocked to see 1 or 2 isolated severe storms. It is not a huge concern. There is currently no risk in place from the SPC, but for tomorrow, I would not be shocked. I can't really pinpoint where in Indiana, but one of these storms tomorrow we just kind of looked at here, one of these storms may have potential to produce some hail as well as gusty winds. We're going to watch it carefully. Not a huge concern. It's not going to be an outbreak, not going to be anything tornadic-wise. It shouldn't be, but I wouldn't be shocked if you have 1 or 2 storms try to go briefly strong to severe during the afternoon time frame on Friday. Going into the future, we have 2 severe risks in place here. Monday is the first day we're going to talk about here. Indiana currently has no severe risk. Currently is a key word there, but we could see one extended here into the western, perhaps northern part of Indiana, as this is a day 4 risk. Day 5 risk for Monday, April 28th. We do have an enhanced risk already in place out to the west. We already have a slight risk as close to us as about the Chicago area. We are yet to have a marginal risk in place as well. That marginal risk could extend over into Indiana, and that would be in place for Monday night. But I think our main severe risk here comes on Tuesday when we have the entire state of Indiana as well as parts of Michigan, western Ohio, most of Illinois, back through Missouri, in a slight risk, level 2 out of a scale of 5 for severe weather. Currently, it appears to be primarily wind and a hail threat. The tornadic threat is still uncertain, but we'll have to kind of key in on that probably around that Sunday, Monday time frame. Sunday for sure, time frame, and then we'll kind of refine that down a little bit further into Monday as well. But do keep in mind, Tuesday is a day to watch for potential severe weather. Wind, hail, primary threats. Tornado threat will have to be figured out a little bit later on. Time frame on this, looking more so again, afternoon, evening type of event. It shouldn't be, at least right now, not trying to be a late event. Let's keep an eye on that and see how it trends. But overall, put in the back of your mind, Tuesday is the day to watch for severe weather. No need to panic just yet. No need to panic at all, really, as long as you have ways to receive warnings and you have a place to go in the event of a warning being issued to take shelter. That is your forecast today, guys. Enjoy the nice weather out there, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another update video here at Indiana Weather Online. You guys stay safe.